Hi, I hear a lot of talk about doing a 30-day vegan challenge. I don't actually recommend that. I don't even actually recommend you going vegan or even vegetarian right away. See, the worst thing that can happen is someone feel overwhelmed and do it for a week, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or a few months, and then revert back. I'm looking for long-term, lasting results, and that's what you should be looking for as well. I suggest gradually cutting out animal products. Yes, it'll be easier and more long-term. Start out with birds. Birds are the most abused animals on planet Earth. Nearly all come from sick factory farms. Look up a factory farm video for motivation to stick with it. Nearly all chickens and eggs come from factory farms, and they are extremely cruel. And most eat 37 land animals per year, and 35 are birds. So you could eat burgers every day and not eat one cow in a year, but you can eat a bird in a couple meals. And I believe birds are the least healthy because they're the most manipulated. They grow about 2 or 3 times the size as they did in the 1970s. So many have broken bones from the excess weight. They're unnatural. They're giving antibiotics and live in squalor. Or for eggs, they live in tiny battery cages. So just cut out the eggs and birds. Then maybe work on the fish because of huge trawler nets that rape oceans and all the bycatch drift nets and fish farms, which are very sick as well. So maybe in the first month or few weeks, cut out the birds, the chicken, try the vegan chicken, try new recipes, falafel, hummus, new foods. I mean, you can eat culture foods, Indian, Italian, Mexican, Asian, or mostly vegetarian already. Maybe if you want to substitute out the meat with a mock meat, that's fine, or seitan, tofu, whatever. Or just leave it out altogether. You probably won't notice on a burrito with beans, guacamole, salsa, rice, or quinoa and such. Maybe try some almond cheese in there if you want. But yeah, try to cut out the birds first. They have vegan chicken as well, so do most grocery stores today. And then try to cut out the eggs. Try tofu scramble or applesauce when baking, pancakes or a cake. Try not to eat the actual product, and then maybe worry about the eggs that are actually in products. But don't buy the actual product first. And then after that, like I said, cut out the fish, and then finally the pigs. And then the dairy and beef last. Because this is based on harm reduction theories, and also I believe that red meat is actually the least unhealthy because it's less manipulated. So please make these lasting changes. Again, for motivation, watch a factory farm video like meatvideo.com, or just look up factory farming images and videos on YouTube. Try the vegan products, replace them, try the vegan cheeses, the vegan almond milks, coconut milks. Instead of fish, try flaxseed, walnuts, or chia seed for your omega-3s, easily to get daily. And experiment with new foods. Check out vegguide.org or happycow.net for eating out. Restaurants worldwide, healthy. And veganbodybuilding.com to dispel the myths. We live longer on average, so don't worry. And experiment and try new foods and make long-term gradual changes, and over several months go vegan or vegetarian. That's my advice for lasting change, and I think it's the best way to do it. Long-term is the goal. Thank you. And vegan is the future. And sharing is caring. Please share a factory farm video. Sharing is caring. Share the truth. Thank you.